Hello, welcome. I'm going to try to make a laptop screen replacement. So I'm going to try to show you. My laptop, it's a HP-Packard, a G-62. So it's broken, the screen, and I'm going to change it. First of all, we need several small tools like these ones to open the screen. We have two small holes here on these spots, and we must take over two small pieces like this of plastic that cover the screws. This is a little bit difficult because the place where they are situated, it's not easy. It's over there under, and then we take the two screws. I already make that because it's more easy. It's not a nice job to do. After this, we take over the front panel. This one, plastic, so be careful, gentle, and you take it from the laptop. It's opened all around. They are small pieces attachments, so like you can see, it's live like this one. After this one, we pick up a screw, and we have two front screws that attach the screen to the laptop. So we must take these two screws like this, and after this we have more four screws, one here, another one here, and another two in this side. So we're going to start to take off the screws like this one, this one. The down screws, it's a little bit more difficult to take off, but we are able to do it. Now we have the screen already free of the connection. We put the broken screen in the laptop, and then we take the reference number, for we can ask and buy the new screen with the right reference, the reference correct. At this moment we have this plastic here and here, and we must disconnect because they are with glue in the plastic. So gentle, we need to take off for one side and another. Be careful with that operation because this is a very fragile connection. After this, you disconnect this from the screen, and the broken screen, it's already off the place. Okay, so after this, at this moment, we already have the reference of the screen, and we can contact the laptopscreen.com to buy the new one. I ask mine, and after 3 days I receive it. So like you can see, become very well protected. It's very fast, and we need to work with this very gentle. We pick up the plastic. It serves the same plastic that brings. Here we have another protection of the screen. I don't need to take off right now because like this I can protect him, and we put the new screen at the place. At this moment we're going to inverse the service. At this moment I'm going to connect the plugget gentle because it's very fragile. And it's not so easy like that. It's not an easy operation and we must be very careful when you do it. And then you put the plastic again and you can lift the new screen. Before you can put it until the end, you can already take over the plastic protection that he brings. And it's almost in the place. At this point we can start put the 4 screws again. Don't put very strong on the screws because a little bit it's enough. So let's put the last 2 screws on the new screen like that. And like that. And right now we already can try the new screen. I only go put the front panel just for protect, but I believe that it's already. Let's do it on and let's see what's happening. And like you see, it's already working perfectly and in conditions. And here is my new screen. Thank you for laptop screens. If you need something, connect to www.laptopscreen.com. Thank you. Bye.